All right, guys, so Euro USD, we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. Like I was saying, this is going to be a simple, quick video on supports drawn by the 4-hour chart. So let's start here on Euro USD, Euro dollar. And I'm going to draw that line right there. And as you can see, the price is bouncing off of that blue line. That's called a support. And then it breaks the support here, retests the support here. So you have two entry options here. One, on the break of that line, you can enter somewhere throughout that 4-hour candle, or you can enter when it retests the line. So a retest means it comes up and touches and rejects it and then continues downwards. So you're going to want to enter somewhere on this candle on that 4-hour rejection. So let's dive in a little deeper because it's hard to enter just on the 4-hour chart. You can, but I'm going to show you something here. If you replay this, so you have the support line drawn already. Let's go ahead and play these candles. So it's going to play the price action that happened in the past. And what you're going to see is the candles breaking through that and coming back up, breaking through that, coming back up, breaking through that blue line, coming back up. So you might get confused and say, well, where do I enter? Because that looked like it just broke it. Okay, you're going to wait for it to close, but not close on the 4-hour. That's why you need to use the lower time frames. So that was the one right there. So we're going to go ahead and end that. So as you saw, the candles were breaking through, poking their heads through, coming back, poking through, coming back, and they were all coming to rest right there. That's how you know that's a good solid support. When all these are just stopping, closing right here. Okay. Opening and closing right there. So let's look a little deeper here on the 1-hour chart and how we're going to find it. Is here. I'm going to draw a little box all the way down this 4-hour candle and see if we can find an area where we could have taken a trade. All right, so you see the 4-hour candle here. We have the rejections, rejections, rejections. You have a little close here below, but you also have this giant wick saying the buyers are still in control, or the buyers aren't ready to let it go down yet because of that giant wick. Sends it back up, tests again, wicks up, and then this candle here is what does it. This giant candle here breaks through. So then for an entry, you're going to either enter here on the bottom of the candle. You're going to put your stop loss above that candle or above the most recent high, which I recommend this one at first. Okay. Large stop loss, but 87 pips. So you're going to be swinging this for a while. You're not going to be looking for a short trade on this, okay? So to find your target, you're going to go out to the 4-hour. So you're looking for a reversal here as well because you have this uptrend. You have this nice uptrend here. And then if you're going to be taking a sell, you're going to be looking for a reversal. So you're going to be looking for price to carry on downwards into this price action here. So to find your target, you're going to look to the left and look for the flat areas of support where prices stalled out. So for me, the first target would be, the end target would be here. Prices formed a nice resistance. It should turn into a support when the price comes back into it. All right, you could take profits here and then here as well. All right. So to be conservative, you can go to that first one there and you have a 1 to 1.2 risk reward. And you hit it. It ends up hitting it. It ends up going as far as 1 to 1.6, okay? All right, so you might not be satisfied with a 1 to 1.6, okay? You risk 1%, you gain 1.5%. That's not that great. So how do you get a bigger and a better risk reward? You're gonna look a little closer. All right, you got to look a little closer to the price, which means, yeah, 1 hour chart, or you go a little deeper into the 30-minute or the 15-minute. Okay, let's go to the 30-minute, see if we can find a better confirmation. All right, so you have the engulfing candle that breaks through. So this single candle here takes out all of these lows. All right, so this red candle has taken out all of these lows. That's several hours and days. Okay, that's probably a full day. Taking them out. So you can enter right there. Once that closes, you can enter. All right, that's going to give you a little bit better risk reward. So enter there. Have your stop above here or above that 1 hour. Okay. Now you still might not be satisfied with that. Okay, you might not be convinced until it goes all the way down and then it's too late. But then if you do that, what you're going to look at is a retest. So a retest is when the price comes back up to test a prior level. So say you missed this and you're like, oh crap, I missed it. It's already broken down, it's sold, it's gone. I want to get in, I want to get in. Just wait, just be patient, wait for it to come and retest your support. All right. So price comes back and what's it do? It retests exactly on the line you've drawn right here. See that wick right into the blue area, right into the blue line. So you can enter there. All right. You can even see this one on the 4 hour. So you missed it, just let it go. Don't chase it, let it come back, and then look for another entry. Once you're confirmed that it's going down, okay, come back, take another trade there. All right, so let's go through this trade. Set your horizontal support line. See the candle that broke through? Let's go ahead and highlight that candle, zoom into the 1 hour chart, and find an entry. So we'll find an entry on the break. We can either enter there, we can enter when it retests your line here. Okay, 2 entries there, easy, 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 easy. Also, what you can see, go back out to the 4 hour chart, you can see it's made a lower high, okay? It's made a high, price has made a high, it's made a low, it's made a lower high, and continues on, okay? So this is what you're going to want to enter off of, the lower high. That confirms the head and shoulder formation, the head and shoulder formation here. That also confirms the reversal trend going into the downtrend for the week. So you have high, lower, low. Let's zoom into the 30-minute and find a good entry and a good risk reward. So this after you see the confirmation, after you're confirmed on the movement, and you get a situation like this, is where you can get the most return. So let's see. Let's just go based on that break. Okay. We see the break. We don't want to wait for a retest. We're worried it might not ever come back, just like we missed that first one. So we're going to enter on that first break. Set the high above. Set the stop loss above the most recent high, 31 pips. And then we can target an area down here. I mean, if you want to find your target on the 30-minute, that's fine. We already have the targets drawn earlier. This blue line here is a target from the 4 hour. So we could use that as the first target, just as before. And then let's see, 1 to 3.6. So that sounds a lot better, right? Risking 1% to get 3.5%. Okay, that's a great return. Okay, risking 2% to gain 6, 3% to gain 9, 5% to gain 15. I mean, it goes on and on. You could extend it out as long as you want. Let's go a little further. Down to our next level, and did it hit it? Yes, it ended the week there. So for the week, say we entered there, that was our trade of the week. That was our big movement we were trying to catch, and we caught it. We got a 1 to 4.5 return. All right, so if we risk 2%, we got 9%. If we risk 3%, we got like 13, 14%. So solid returns there just on that one trade on the 4 hour. It doesn't get any easier than that, guys. Any simpler than that. Well, it does get simpler than that, but at first, just take it as it is on the 4 hour and 1 hour. Don't worry about the giant risk rewards, okay? 1 to 1, 1 to 2 is fine. You'll make plenty of money that way, okay? But once you start to do this time and time again, you can start to make those bigger returns with higher risk or higher returns, higher rewards, sorry. All right, guys, so that's it. Just remember, horizontal line on the support that is formed on a 4 hour chart. All you need is 2 candles, 1, 2, draw your line, wait for that break, and then you're off. All right, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, YouTube channel, as well as my Telegram channel. The Telegram is going to be free for probably ever. You can follow along with my trades of the week, my analysis of the week, my analysis of the day, recaps, live trading. You can see my profits, see my losses. It's going to be super transparent. I don't have anything to hide. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys. Good luck this week, and just reach out to me if you have any questions.